Elon Musk's SpaceX says a geomagnetic storm wiped out 40 of the 49 Starlink satellites it launched into orbit last week. Geomagnetic storm. That sounds so futuristic. Well, that's exactly that's causing problems for us in our sci-fi film, except it's like a real thing. And then people go look it up after and they're like, oh, that can really happen.
Yeah. A storm doesn't sound as dramatic. It's got to be geo and magnetic.
Oh, that's incredible.
You know?
A geomagnetic storm Friday prevented the satellites from reaching their orbital position. The satellites will burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, but won't produce orbital debris, SpaceX said. Oh, the ones that are damaged will now burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. So I presume that we're going to find out exactly what this type of storm is. Around 80% of the satellites were significantly impacted. 49 Starlink satellites in low Earth orbit Thursday via Falcon 9 rocket. Geomagnetic storms are triggered by disturbances between the Earth's magnetic field and charged particles from the sun. Oh, perfect. Great. Awesome. Yeah. Known as solar wind. The speed and intensity of the storm caused the atmospheric drag to climb to levels 50% higher than previous launches, SpaceX said in the statement, making it harder for satellites to reach their orbital position. Space Weather Prediction Center. Imagine you work there. You're like, what's it like in space today? You got a nasty solar wind coming. That guy's he's hardened. He's having to track. He's a veteran? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Scruffy.
He's been through it all.
He's been tracking space weather for, decades.
Let me tell you a tale.
I don't mind.
Is that the guy?
I don't mind. I mean, you sound like a pirate or something, but I don't mind it. Let me tell you a tale. Solar winds. Yeah, space pirates. Has that ever been done? Who are space pirates? I guess space pirates are kind of like, they show up in Star Wars and stuff. Yeah. What are they, like bounty hunter types? Does anyone ever get robbed in space? Does that happen?
Yeah.
In sci-fi? Who gets robbed in space? I'm trying to remember. What am I talking about? So, space bandits. They got away with it.
Yeah.
They
have a bigger ship and then they dock you.
What do I watch? I don't remember where I see this.
Is it the Boba Fett or no?
You're talking about Bobby Fett.
Sure.
That's my guy.
Is there any space bandits there?
There might be.
Oh, Treasure Planet.
I don't even know what that is.
Oh, okay. Well,
I got to catch up on Bobby Fett. I got behind somehow. I don't know what happened. Yeah. I blame my kids.
Yeah.
Because they were into it. They're like, Dad, it's Bobby Fett tonight. They hear the popcorn in the background. And then, I don't know, maybe we just got busy, Will. It's possible.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. I'll catch up. Don't worry, man.
Okay, cool.
Space Cowboys. Anyway, that's too bad for those satellites. I guess they can